Okay, biggest find yet was a pipe. Looks like it's about 20 feet long. I'm not pulling it up here. Gotta get my magnet back. And this time looks like maybe a lawnmower part. But I don't really know what it is.
What is that?
Lawnmower parts?
Look.
Oh, you found a washer without a magnet. And she's got something big. Second time we've got it. Can't seem to get it out of the water. And ignore the wind noise. If you hear any wind noise, it's kind of breezy today.
Whatever is stuck under the water.
It's stuck in the water, whatever it is. Oh, she just lost it.
Did I?
Yep. Might be another chair.
What?
Now that's dedication. Follow the rope down. It's hooked up right now. She's going under. No swimming, ma'am.
But are you able to get in the water?
Not supposed to.
What? Dad, are you sure you didn't have anything, or did you lose it?
No, I was on it.
I don't feel anything. Hold on, Dad.
I'm off of it now.
This is what she got when she came out of the water. I think it's probably a tree stand. What do you think?
And maybe the best find today. A screwdriver, and there's a fishing hook. I can use that screwdriver. In episode number 2 of Brute Magnet Fishing, this is what we found. I think that's part of a tree stand. I don't know what this is. No telling. This net's pretty nice. I believe the best find is the screwdriver. Let's see. One of the girls found a battery, a CO2 cartridge, a washer, looks like a stainless steel, a bolt, a nice hook.
What's that?
Swivel with some string on it. No, swivel without string. This string had something metal. Look at the size of this little hook. It's so small the camera won't focus on it. And if you think that's small, check this one out. I'm gonna put those in my tackle box. Reuse them. And this, going in the trash can, going in the trash can. And when we went down that bridge, we only found one thing on the bridge, that big piece of pipe. That's it. All the good stuff was probably on the other side of the bridge. I didn't fish the other side of the bridge. Ready to go?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, we're ready to go. Still in episode 2, I guess this is 2.5, we stopped at another spot and I found a lot of hardware, nuts, bolts, washers, big washers, flat steel, and I got this nice lure that's going straight into the tackle box. There's some more hooks somewhere. Where are the other hooks at? Got a dog collar. Oh, here's a circle hook. I thought there were more hooks than that. I'm not sure what that is. And look at that, spark plug. Someone lost their spark plug. Not anymore. There's the Super Butt Brute magnet. We have made it to a new water hole. I've got the magnet in the bucket. Got a machete just in case. The boys got the weak magnet. We're gonna see what happens. Somebody before me found some shelving. I've got, looks like a big piece of rebar. And I found a fishing hook, a knockout of an electrical box, a shelving bracket, and 2 pieces of metal. I'm gonna see if I can get that rebar up now. I've just found a sign and I want it, but it's not wanting to come up. Don't drop the phone. It is a 121A county road sign. Come on, 1,200 pounds, you can get it. Anyway, I'll stop this and work on the sign and I'll show you once I get it. We have to walk down there. I don't really want it, but I found a half of a Bob's barricade. It's been here a little while. I guess the kids find those and throw them in there on the weekends. So what'd you do this weekend? I'm currently stuck on a sign. You can see it right there. I'm on the post of it. I don't know if I can pull it in. The boy thinks they throw them in the water, get them to stick, then they go down there where the rogue is and shoot at them. Makes sense to me. Unless if you're shooting at a barricade, it would go underwater. Anyway, this one must not have stuck, and I just lost it. Magnet fishing, we've been here probably 30, 40 minutes, and it's now water break and cracker time. I just put on some sunblock. Over here you'll see a trailer wheel I found. There's some little pieces up on the railing over there. I didn't find that shelving. Somebody was here before me. We found a sign, a piece of rebar. There's another sign over there on the bank, the blue one that I showed you earlier. A Bob's Barricade made out of plywood. That's really old. A bunch of nails, part of a chair, and some random metal pieces, and part of a big bolt. What else is out there? Probably if I could bring the canoe and get out there far enough to where you could throw a gun, I wouldn't throw a gun straight down. I mean, if you're hunting a gun. If I would have got here a little bit earlier, that wheel would have been good for my trailer. I don't want the tire, but that wheel. I've got a trailer that needs a spare. And trying to show you the name of the place. This is the Little St. Mary's on Middle Road. Little St. Mary's. So right there is Bob's Barricade number 1 over here on the other side of the river. Bob's Barricade number 2. And I don't think I'm gonna fight enough to get it up. It keeps wanting to fall off. We'll do a video documentation that it's down there. And look at the sign I just pulled up. That was the heaviest beast yet. The boys are there exploring, making some noise. His magnet's not strong enough to fish with. After about an hour of fishing with the magnet, we found a bridge. If you go right there, must be some rebar in there, obviously. Anyway, Brute magnet, all of this, I'm not sure what this is. Somehow a bolt goes on there, you tighten up the bolt, whatever, random pieces, bunch of nails, piece of pipe, whatever the U-shape is, some kind of metal cable. I got 2 fishing hooks. There was 3, I don't know where the 3rd one went. This one, I think I might take home, put it in the tackle box. It looks good still. There's a rod, back of a chair, some rod. There's a couple pieces of rebar down there. I didn't bring them down here. A big sign, a 121A sign, and that guy, and a Bob's Barricade. Oh, and way down there, I didn't feel like carrying it, but there's a spare tire. I've already shown it to you. I guess we better get out of here. It's getting hot and sunny. It's already hot and sunny. And that weak magnet found nothing. Absolutely nothing. Brute found it all. And if I had a trailer to haul this stuff on right now, that'd make good lawnmower lift kits. Anyway, I'm gonna make a stack over here right beside the bridge. Not where they mow, but right down here. We might come back with a trailer and pick it up and take it to the scrapyard.